Uniswap v3, v2, and Pancakeswap are the undisputed kings of decentralized exchanges, right? Well, that's what the percentage market share by volume tells us. On CoinGecko, you can sort for this. It's on display here in the last column. And as you see, over 33% of the total DEX traded volume was through Uniswap v3 and 9.9% was traded over Pancakeswap. But both of these DEXs have their own set of problems that realistically can't be ignored. Uniswap burns holes in your pockets with gas fees, and Pancakeswap bridges to swap non-Binance Smart Chain tokens are sometimes a lot to handle. What we really need in the crypto space is simplicity, like something as simple as a Visa payment card. No gas fees, no transaction fees, no network boundaries, and of course, ideally, it all has to operate in a decentralized manner. Today, we're asking if ZeroSwap could be that one DEX that makes it all possible. It looks promising. Let's check it out. ZeroSwap's main initiative is to build a multi-chain decentralized ecosystem. And what that means is you, as a DeFi user, should be able to take your tokens across multiple chains such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and now actually Avalanche as well. Here's the thing, unlike Pancakeswap, ZeroSwap supports token swaps far and beyond Binance Smart Chain. Just look at this comparison chart here. Even on a low transaction fee like BSC, Pancakeswap charges 0.2% trading fees, but ZeroSwap, on the other hand, charges 0 transaction fees and does so, in fact, on multiple chains. And unlike Uniswap, ZeroSwap is gasless, and it achieves this by using transaction fee mining and zero fee transactions, and also provides bidirectional bridges for token swaps. We're going to be looking more closely at transaction fees. Guys, let us know in the comments below, what are some of the craziest transaction fees that you've dropped to get something done on similar DEXs? Let us know in the comments below. Did you guys know that you can get 10 free trades in ZeroSwap? If you're not aware as to how to do that, keep watching the video. We're going to reveal the answer shortly. Okay, so at present, this ZeroSwap DEX, also known as ZDEX, can be used on Polygon and Binance Smart Chain. But while we're recording this video, their team is working on rolling out support to Avalanche blockchain, and that's going to save you guys from paying any gas on Avalanche. In fact, users can access the gasless swaps on the Avalanche chain even without staking. Just connect your wallet, select a token pair, and ZeroSwap. What's actually even more interesting is that ZEE, that's ZEE staking on Avalanche, went live today with an APY of 50%, an unbonding period of 7 days, and reward claim of 10 days. ZDEX can connect to MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and Binance Wallet. And when you enter the DEX, you can swap more than 100 tokens. Some of these include BNB, ETH, USDT, XRP, ADA, LTC, XTZ, DAI, Dot, Cake, Link, Uni, Sushi, PBTC, and of course many others. Guys, go back and check out our video from about a year ago covering ZeroSwap. If you haven't seen this one already, we'll have a card that should be popping up right about now for your reference as well. But in the settings button, you can establish the time transaction deadline and the percentage slippage tolerance. And this is a DEX that also gives you the opportunity to have free trades if you stake ZEE tokens, the native token of ZeroSwap. So staking 1,000 ZEE gives you 10 free trades per day. And if you're looking for a more detailed guide, check out our ZeroSwap tutorial. We honestly really like this platform, and some of the things that make ZeroSwap unique include rewards. So ZeroSwap provides a platform to earn rewards from liquidity mining every time you make a trade. Governance is another big one for us. It's a unanimous governance mechanism that helps adapt to decentralized network changes over time. There's also DEX, Decentralized Exchange Aggregation, because on ZeroSwap, one can access liquidity on multiple chains from all decentralized liquidity providers. It's super developer friendly. You can easily integrate Z Suite, any developer can, that is, with their existing workflows. And you have multi-chain trading protocols as well. Multi-chain ecosystems are an integral part of the DeFi world. Ethereum, which is the flag bearer of this technology, has some fundamental issues in its underlying architecture, like, as you guys know, scalability, gas fees, transactions per second. Let's get into the real value proposition here. So apart from the features that we just previously mentioned, there are 3 decentralized solutions that really makes ZeroSwap special in our opinion. And we're beginning here with a look at ZDO. This is a platform in which users can easily participate in all kinds of token offerings. And one of its best performing IDO sales was that of Unmarshall, which was somewhere in the range of a 90x IDO. Not bad. Here's another big one, the ETH BSC bridges. So ZeroSwap has a two-way bridge between ERC20 and BEP20 tokens. And finally, staking is now a pretty big deal. Users can stake ZeroSwap's native token, once again, ZEE. That's with no fees and 20% APY. And as you can see, a very good number of Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, and more recently AVAX are all being staked on Zedo. All right, now we talk about the roadmap, and according to it, during the Q1, that's quarter one and quarter two of 2022, some of the most important milestones are going to be upcoming. You're going to have more chain integrations like Avalanche that we've been talking about, cross-chain farms. After the merger with DeFi Wizards, ZeroSwap is aiming to become a smart contract as a service, that's SCAS solutions provider as well. And on that line, it aims to launch a new token, ZEX. The idea here is that ZeroSwap would pivot into a two-token model in order to capture the value generated. Post-merger, more details of it are going to be announced, we imagine, very, very imminently. All right, let's talk tokenomics for a little bit here. At the time of this recording, the native token of ZeroSwap, ZEE, is trading, as you can see, at just over 18 cents with a market cap that is relatively low, about 12.5 million US dollars. Also, its circulating supply is at a pretty healthy 63% of the max supply, with more than 63 million tokens. Do the quick math, you can see that the max circulating supply, the total supply, is 100 million. And ZEE has the following use cases. It's fee payment method for trading transactions in the DEX. It's a payment method for the Zedo, the ZeroSwap DEX Token Offering, and a payment method for liquidity mining fees as well. And moreover, ZeroSwap has an exclusive governance token, ZEX, which will be launched this year. Let's talk a little bit about the competition here. You know very well that there are many decentralized exchanges that could be considered direct competitors here. However, after analyzing many of them, we consider that Uniswap, 1inch, Paraswap, and KyberSwap are probably the most direct competitors. Because from those DEXs, we consider that ZeroSwap is the only one that has governance voting, gasless transactions, zero trade fees, liquidity mining, multi-chain functionality, its own token, and AMM, an automated market maker. And compared to Uniswap, ZeroSwap has zero fee on chains such as Binance and Polygon. All right, taking a look at some of these strategic partnerships here, ZeroSwap is collaborating with leading blockchain companies like Elrond, Chainlink, Polygon, and others. Lots of recent developments to discuss as well. ZeroSwap is now part of Gravity, which is a coin market cap project where crypto companies can increase the engagement of their users. In a partnership with Unmarshal, users will be able to save gas costs and swap fees while using ZeroSwap. And ZeroSwap has integrated with Uniswap v3 on Polygon. So this means that if you are a trader, you can swap ERC20 tokens in Polygon cheaper and more securely at the same time. ZeroSwap right now is aiming to innovate the current AMM and AMM aggregator marketplace by offering pretty novel solutions to centralized and decentralized exchange weaknesses. And the protocol aims to do this through their multi-chain DEX, which offers users liquidity, mining rewards, IDOs, and DEX aggregation in a completely decentralized manner. As ZeroSwap continues its innovation, it will be a crucial protocol to be used on Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, and especially the Ethereum network. And we're excited to access all these features that enhance crypto trading in a decentralized and permissionless manner. You guys can follow them for more updates on both their Twitter and their official Telegram channels. Let us know if you're using ZeroSwap already. This is a project that we've had our eyes on for quite a while, and we still have some pretty high expectations as far as where it could potentially lead. We're pretty enthusiastic about where it's going. And just remember, guys, that these videos are just that. It's our enthusiasm, opinions, but never financial or investment advice, not officially. That being said, we do, of course, wish you all the best of luck if you do choose to invest. If you're still watching, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications. Check out these other couple of videos that should be popping up right about now. Have a great day, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army, evening, morning, whatever time it may happen to be. As always, stay safe, and we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.